This light definitely adds a lot of vibe in this dining table area. Okay, now we have received the order confirmation from Ikea and we're going to pick up the order now. Okay, we are exiting University Avenue now. This is the entrance. Welcome to Ikea. First time in Ikea after 1.5 years. Let's wear a mask and goggle. Do I show the pickup here?
Yes.
Okay. So I click and collect
All the way down?
all the way
Turn
down?
left, all the way down on the left hand side.
Thank you. Okay, so 3757.
Alright, that's for today, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, be right back.
Okay, thank you. Do you need to scan the code? That's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I'll just probably not take the basket.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Cool. Cool. That's it then. See. I'm ready. As you can see here, there are actually two lights here at this corner. However, this is my dining room table, but there is no proper light on the top. So this is the user manual. This is the original light bulb that came with the packaging. Instead, we got the big one, which is the E26. It comes with a switch, so you can switch it to turn on the light and switch off. Light bulb socket to the cord. My usage, I'm actually using this quality home from Amazon. Ordered my pajama. Very good. Okay. There's assembly on there. I'm using this tri-wall mount and this hook I got from Home Depot from a long time ago. Let's go. I'm going to install this light on my kitchen dining table. Okay, it looks good. Alright, give me that thing. Give me that thing. Yes. That's the only thing. Right. Anyways, here we go. Okay. Back to this. This. Oh! And this is the smaller one. Okay, we're good. Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Oh, guys, well. Okay, I'm gonna get you.
This is about 5 p.m. right now in April. I especially like the shadow it casts on the top of the ceiling. I also added a strip of gastroference tape. It's the white tape that masks the wires. But the wire it came with Ikea is actually white, so it's already pretty good looking. As you can see here, the wire have to travel all the way to the corner. And you have to bring it all the way down into the back of the wall. Since it's kind of far from the table, so I actually I use Alexa smart plug. Yeah, by using this Amazon smart plug, I can use voice command, which is much more convenient than having to reach all the way here to grab the switch from across the table. Alexa, turn off the lamp. There we go. Okay, now it's 7. Let's turn on this light. Alexa, turn on the lamp. Nice. There you have it. This is the quick review of the Ikea dinner dining table lamp. Alexa, turn off the lamp.
I didn't use that many bowls for.
Cool. That's it then. See you guys next time. Okay, getting my hair. I'm using this drywall mount and this hook I got from Home Depot from a long time ago. Okay. Quick question. Where do you want me to put it? Let's give it a try.